If you are taking a heavy course load this semester, you know the feeling of staring at a towering stack of textbooks and realizing you have to memorize all of it. Imagine having a personal tutor who has perfectly memorized your specific syllabus, textbook chapters, and lecture slides, and never makes up facts to fill in the blanks. This diagram shows why that matters. On the left, standard AI chatbots scrape a chaotic cloud of internet data, which leads to hallucinations. On the right, Google NotebookLM operates in a closed loop. It only pulls answers from the specific documents you give it. To set this up, you need 3 things: an active Google account, the digital chapters of your textbook, and your saved lecture notes. With those files ready, you can build an automated study system in under 5 minutes. Because the AI is restricted to your approved materials, it helps ensure your review stays focused on the specific concepts your professor assigned. This is the Google NotebookLM dashboard. To start, click the New Notebook button to create a fresh, empty workspace dedicated entirely to a single class. Next, take your heavy PDF textbook chapters and drag them directly into the Sources box on the left side of the screen. Drop in your class syllabus and your unformatted lecture notes so they stack right underneath. Before moving on, quickly check the sidebar to verify that all of the files you uploaded are listed as active sources. Your AI is now locked into this specific course's reality. It cannot pull irrelevant or incorrect data from the broader internet. This brings us to the central chat interface, where you can now interrogate the documents you just uploaded. Type a highly specific exam question into the prompt box. For example, what are the 3 main causes of the economic crash mentioned in Lecture 3? The AI reads through your notes and synthesizes a direct answer based strictly on the text you provided. However, blind trust is a major failure point in studying. You must independently verify these summaries before relying on them for a graded exam. Notice the small citation bubbles at the end of each sentence. Click one to trigger the verification loop. The interface instantly jumps to the exact page in your PDF and highlights the original text, letting you read the context yourself. Let's look at the Audio Overview Generation panel. This feature converts your dense reading materials into a conversational audio format. Click the Generate button. NotebookLM will process your dry academic text and translate it into a dynamic debate between 2 AI hosts. The generation process takes a few minutes to complete, so it is best to set this up the night before to avoid waiting. When it is ready, you will hear engaging banter as the AI hosts debate the specific topics from your uploaded documents. To save the finished file, navigate to the prominent download arrow icon and click it. With the file downloaded to your phone, you can listen to it during your morning commute to campus. This reclaims lost transit time, turning a passive walk into active exam preparation without ever needing to look at a screen. The split-screen visual illustrates the final result. On one side, your messy class files have transformed into a structured study guide, and on the other, a fully produced audio podcast. By using these tools, you save dozens of hours that you would otherwise spend manually scrolling and highlighting 100-page PDFs. Which feature are you going to rely on for your next midterms? The fact-checking citations or the audio podcast? Let me know down in the comments. If this guide helped you, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more university productivity techniques. Using these tools to manage your course materials allows you to work through dense readings and prepare for finals in a fraction of the time.